Tyler Select and Total Parts Pro. Today we've got 2020 Ford Everest, stock number 6802. This ran for the 7th 2015 and the 5th 2022. It has a P5 AT, 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a P5 AT, 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left rear 18-inch factory automatic tyre. Rear tailgate missing front panel. Right rear 18-inch factory automatic tyre. Right front 18-inch factory automatic tyre. Right front door cone. Right front master switch. Centre console lip, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory Ford spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,